Hi, I'm going to show you how to follow the steps to promote deeper thinking. Asking students to think more about a topic will improve their understanding and memory of what they really learn. Step 1 is to choose a good time and topic. As I look over my lessons, I need to find a topic that's important and that pupils already have a lot of knowledge about. They will only be able to think deeply if they already know a lot. In my next lesson, I see that students are learning about human activities that affect vegetation. I will ask them a deeper thinking question towards the end of the lesson so that students will have more knowledge to use. Step 2 is to write a deeper thinking question. Here is what my pupils have learned about the topic so far. Last lesson, I introduced the different ways humans can destroy vegetation. We looked at deforestation, overcultivation, brick making, overgrazing, burning bushes, and the construction of roads and buildings. Now I need to write a question that gets learners thinking deeply. I know that my question needs to have more than one correct way of answering. The answer can't just be one word. It should be at least a sentence. And it shouldn't be an answer that pupils can just read directly from a textbook or from the blackboard. It needs to make them think. Let me look at some of the sentence starters and examples in the FTS guide to get ideas. I think I will use a why question. Why do you think people cut down trees in your area? Step 3 is for me to answer my own question in a few different ways, just like students might. I'm confident some students will say to build homes. Others might answer to light fires for cooking or to make furniture. What else? I think some students might know that we use trees to make paper and money. Hopefully, there will be a student who gives me the answer to clear land to plant crops or for animals to graze. I think I could ask, why is it bad if we cut down trees to build homes? Hopefully, there will be a student who gives me an answer like drought or excess heat. I can ask how after either of these answers. Step 4 is to choose a way for students to respond. Once you have completed the first activities in the lesson, the pupils should have enough knowledge to discuss my questions in pairs. So I think I will choose turn and talk. I will give students 2 minutes to talk to their neighbor about why humans cut down trees in their area. During this time, I will saturate the class and listen in carefully to the conversation to hear what thoughts and ideas my students are having. After 2 minutes, I will get the class's attention and call on students to share their answers and hope it leads to an interesting, thought-provoking class discussion. Those are the 4 steps to prepare for promoting deeper thinking. Let's take a look